Hello everyone. Level B. B1.
B3.
We're taking the elevator down. This is the biggest elevator. So here's the door. No, the Oak Ridge Mall elevator is bigger. So hello YouTube viewers again. We're taking the elevator down right now. See? The elevator at Santana Roe. Santana Roe, whatever.
B3.
No.
Beethoven.
I'm taking it with my whole family that lives at my house. Not my whole family, like cousin. It's just my dad, my mom, my grandma, and my sister. So that's my sister. So here we are. We're Santana Roe. We took a little while. So we're gonna go to the row 3, level B, which is where we are on right now, guys. So and on Friday, the day before our vacation, our Christmas vacation, I got this bracelet made out of rubber bands. Today is December 22nd, 2013.